Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fine at home. How are you? Yes, of course, I'm also fine. And for the new ones who have joined this year, let me introduce myself. I'm Dinsia, your English teacher. And I'm going to start with the classes of 2020-21 academic year. And I would like to remind you one thing regarding the online classes and its benefits and limitations. As you all know, we don't know the day in which our school will reopen and all, but still we have started with online classes. Of course, this is an official starting. And what all things we are going to discuss in through online classes, you have to go through it, take it in the serious sense, and should study everything according to the teacher's instruction. Next one is about the limitation. Till last year we were having a close contact each other where we had face-to-face contact and you and me were in reachable distance only. It was easy for us to reach. Now it is not so. What is the difference? Here I am in a screen, you are also in a screen in front of me. There are certain limitations. I can't come along with you or I can't come behind you for asking you regarding your homeworks and all. So don't put me in trouble and you should not be in trouble. So what you have to do, you should follow my instructions and should do everything what I am going to tell you through these online classes. You will of course get the classes of your textbook, that means your literature part. Along with that, I will be giving you the grammar class too. And today I am going to start with English grammar. And the topic I am going to deal with today is of articles. Articles is a very simple topic, but articles are not so very simple. I have already taught you articles. Articles are of two types. Which are they? Forgotten? Definite article and indefinite article. Could you please tell me which are the indefinite articles? Yes. A or an. Which is the definite article? Which is the definite article? The definite article is the. Correct. So let's start studying something regarding articles. As we have discussed earlier, articles are of two types, definite and indefinite. Let us learn only indefinite article today. Bit by bit only I will be giving you. Today we are going to study the indefinite articles. Which are they? A or an. Correct. A or an. Where do we use a and where do we use an? Yes, as you all know, articles are used along with a noun. Articles are used along with a noun. And a or an is used along with singular nouns. A or an are the representation of one. So, they will come only before the singular nouns. Is it clear? What is singular noun? Singular noun is a noun which is only one. Do you know the difference between singular and plural? Yes, I am pretty sure that you will know about what is singular and what is plural. Singular is one and plurals are many. Sure. And could you please tell me the example of a noun? A for apple, that we have learned it, right? Apple, of course apple is a noun. Yes. Apple is a singular noun or a plural noun? Apple. Yes, it is a singular noun. What is the plural form of apple? Apples. Correct. So, can we use apple, a apple or an apple? What make it as a different one? Before start with a or an, let me teach you the pronunciation of this. First one is of a. Is it a? No. When we pronounce the letter a, it is the sound of a. So, here, I'm going to write apple and next one is boy. Okay. So there are two articles with me. Which are they? A or an. What is it? An. How to pronounce it? An. Not a, not a. It is a combination of a plus a. Combination of, I'll write it in Malayalam. It is the combination of a plus a. An. Can you please tell me certain words, certain other words which comes with this pronunciation? I'll tell you one, then you will get many. Van, fan, can, man. I have not told you fun, did I? No. Gun, no. One, no. Fan, man, can, van, lamb. Okay? See, I was using an. See, apple, an apple, an. And what is the pronunciation of a? It's a. If I use a here, how will I read it if I join the sound a here? It's a boy, not a boy. Is it a boy? No, a boy. How to pronounce? A boy. So now we have learned two things. Which are they? We have learned about articles. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite article. And we are learning only indefinite articles today. Which is it? They are a or an. And the correct pronunciation also we have learned a or an. A or an. Now I hope that it is clear for you. Articles, the first type of article we have learned is indefinite article, that is a or an. Today I am going to give you certain exercises. The image of the exercises I will send it to you. Only the simple topic I have taken articles, and a simple exercise from smaller class I am sending you just for practicing it. In detail about indefinite articles a or an, I'll be taking tomorrow. So the simple exercise you may do today, and let us move for complicated ones and more explanation regarding a or an by tomorrow's class. Do it clearly and send the answers. First you may write the answers in your notebook and take a picture of the answers and send the image in this group by today itself. Maximum by tomorrow morning. Hope it is clear for you. Thank you.